warm welcome to all the viewers. In this session, I am going to quickly tell you how you can easily download and install ONYX-SEM software, which is meant for covariance-based structural equation modeling analysis. In case you are having trouble procuring AMOS, that is IBM SPSS AMOS software for conducting your analysis, you can go with this freely available software to do your analysis. Now, how to download and install and use this software? Because this software requires Java file to run at the back of your computer to execute ONYX-SEM. Now, we first need to download and install Java files on our system, and then only ONYX-SEM will work. Often it is seen that people do download ONYX-SEM from the available website of ONYX, but the software fails to start up or fails to work because there's no Java file installed on the system, and there's a way to install that Java file on your system. So I'm going to tell you how you can easily download and install that Java JDK file on your system and then run ONYX-SEM software. So let us start. The first step is you type ONYX-SEM on Google, press the search bar, and you'll get ONYX structural equation modeling. Go to download button, and once you go to the download button, you can download the stable version available. The latest one available right now is March 2nd, 2026, ONYX 101046. You just press on here and download this stable version on your system. It's a very small file, so it will hardly take 1 or 2 minutes to download on your system. Don't open this file now. So once you have downloaded this file, keep it like that only. For running this, you see here, ONYX requires Java runtime environment. If you haven't installed Java, please download a recent version. For example, version 17 or higher. From where you will get this version of Java? Just go to Oracle. So I'm here on Oracle. I'll just show you how I go to Oracle. So I just type on Google Oracle Java and go to Java software. Click on Java software. And here it's mentioned, see, download Java. I click on download Java and it says Java 26 is the latest release of Java SE platform. So I need this Java JDK 26. Which file do I want? Whether I want to install on my Linux system, Mac operating system, or Windows. From here, I'm showing for Windows. Click on Windows and click on this button which says 64-bit installer executable file. You see .exe file. The size of the file is 188.65 MB. Click on here and download this installer Java JDK 26 on your system. Once you have downloaded this file, open this file and install this file on your system. After installation, the file will be installed in your program files under drive C. So here am I on my computer, C drive. Click on C drive. Under program files, I must see Java. Once I've installed it, go to Java. Here I see Java JDK 26. Go to bin and copy this path. So once I click over here, I copy this path. And what I need to do with this path? I copy this path and then I go to this Windows button and search for environmental variables. Environment variables on my system. So it says edit the system environment variables. I click on open and under advanced option, you see here advanced option, I click on environment variables, and in this system variables, you see this system variables bar. Under this, I have to go to path. This is path and I double click this path and I click on new. Over this place, I just need to paste that path. You see here, I pasted that path, which I copied from Java bin and I paste it. And once I have pasted it, I need to click on OK. Once I click OK, this will be installed on my system. Java JDK 26 will be installed on my system, and then I can run my software, that is ONYX-SEM. Now I can go and open my ONYX file. This is ONYX file. I open ONYX and ONYX software will open up. So it says data sets and models can be loaded by dragging them from your file browser directly onto the ONYX desktop. So it shows you tips at startup. Once you start it for the first time, it shows you different tips. Next tip is manifest variables can be created by dragging a variable from a dataset onto a model panel. Manifest variables are the observed variables or the indicators in your model. Next tip, labels on path can be moved with the mouse by dragging them along the edge. Model estimation is started as soon all observed variables are connected to a dataset. to connect variables, drag them from the dataset onto corresponding observed variables in the model. So this is how it will show you all these tips, and you will be familiar with the functionality of ONYX-SEM by clicking next tip, next tip, next tip. After you've read all of them, just close it, and you see it's a very clean interface over here. You just click on ONYX, and first step is load model or data. Well, first we need to load model or data, and then we create an empty model. I'll show you in next video how you can load model or data. So which type of files you can take